The Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. The only credit card with unlimited credit limit, so that way you can go buy a white Lambo and huge bags of shredded cash that you can't do anything with.
Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you take control of your life through personal development, smart money habits, and entrepreneurship. If those things sound good to you, then please let me know by clicking the like and subscribe buttons down below. Now let's talk about the Chase Freedom credit card versus the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Both of these credit cards are issued by Chase. Both earn the same type of points called Ultimate Rewards points that can be converted to cashback, and both have no annual fee. So, which one's the best choice for you, or should you have both? Let's go find the best answer for you. We'll start with the Chase Freedom card. So this card earns 5 points per dollar in rotating categories each quarter of the year. Now the way that looks, you can check out the right side of the screen here. Every quarter or every 3 months, the category in which you earn 5 points per dollar changes. So as an example, this one was from several years ago. January through March, it was 5 points per dollar on gas stations and local commuter transportation. Then April through June, it was 5x at grocery stores and drug stores. July through September, it was restaurants and movie theaters. And October through December, it was Walmart and a few other department stores. And basically the way this works is you get an email a little bit before the quarter begins, or you can log into your account at any time, and there'll be a notification letting you know when to activate for the next quarter. You simply click on a button to activate, and then you'll start earning 5 points per dollar for the next quarter. If you don't activate, you'll just earn 1 point per dollar. Now, each of these quarters are limited. You cannot earn unlimited 5 points per dollar. You can spend a maximum of $1,500 per quarter in those designated categories, and if you go over that, then you'll just earn 1 point per dollar going forward. So if you just spend $1,500 exactly each quarter, then you'll earn basically 7,500 points, which is equal to $75 cash back. Now, to make sure that's really clear, 1 point is worth 1 penny. So when we say 5 points per dollar, what that really translates to is 5% cash back on your purchases. As an example, if you have 10,000 points, it's $100 of cash. Now for the rest of the card, the sign-up bonus as of August 2020 is really incredible. You first get $200 of cash issued in the form of 20,000 points to your account after you spend $500 in the first 3 months of card membership. Then you'll also earn 5% cash back at grocery stores in year 1, up to $12,000 spend. Now, normally groceries are a 5% cashback category on this card at least 1 quarter of the year. But with this welcome offer, you're basically earning 5% for the entire first year on groceries, up to $12K spend. So it does not rotate, it's there permanently for 12 months. So if you max that out, you spend $12,000 in grocery stores for the entire first year, you earn 5% back on that. That could be a total of $600 of cash back. Add that to the initial $200 cash up front when you spend $500 in 3 months. That's all in $800 of cash back from this one card just for the bonuses. That does not include all the cash back you earn from your ongoing spend. This card also offers 0% interest for 15 months and has no annual fee. So for a card with no fee at all, to be able to earn $800 just in the bonus is massive. This offer is incredible. Typically, the offer on this card is about 15,000 points to 20,000 points. In other words, $150 to $200. And that's it. Still a good deal for a card with no fee. It's just paying you and putting money in your pocket. But right now, if this card interests you, this offer is extremely valuable if you spend a lot of money in grocery stores right now. Now let's move over to the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. This card looks similar, it even has a similar name, but the reward structure is a bit different. There are no rotating 5% categories, there's just one category with no limit, and it never changes. It's 1.5 points per dollar on everything. Both cards earn the same currency, those Ultimate Rewards points. The sign-up bonus is currently identical to the Freedom card. You spend $500 in the first 3 months, and then you'll be issued 20,000 points worth $200 of cash back. You'll also earn 5% back at grocery stores for the entire first year, at least until you hit $12,000 worth of spend. There's the same 0% interest period for the first 15 months of your card membership, and also no annual fee. So given the fact that these two cards are just so similar, which one's right for you? I've got 2 answers. The simple answer is you should get the Freedom Card if you spend most of your money on gas, groceries, and dining. The reason for this is because those three categories and a few others as well are typically 5% cashback categories at least once per quarter each year. You should get the Freedom Unlimited card if you want simplicity, meaning you don't have to remember to activate or which category is the current category. There's no confusion ever. Or if you spend a lot of your money on non-bonus categories. So utilities, insurance, online shopping, healthcare. Now, if you look hard enough, there will be some credit cards out there like the US Bank Cash Plus card that might help you maximize a healthcare category or something like that. But in general, these tend to be non-bonus categories simply because most cards do not earn any sort of larger multiplier on them. It's the gas, grocery, dining type of cards that are most prominent for the at-home spenders and the travel transit type cards that are best for the road warriors. Now, I did mention that I have two answers for which card's best for you. Let's check out my other answer. Answer number 2 is the value answer, and that is to get both. Both of these cards have no annual fee, so they don't cost you anything to carry them one year after the other. And if you do decide to get both, I recommend you use the Freedom Card only for the current 5% category. So if that Freedom Card gets 5% back on gas, use it for gas. If it's earning 5% back at home improvement stores, use it for that. On every other purchase, use the Freedom Unlimited card. Because if it's a non-bonus category, remember, the Freedom would only earn 1 point per dollar. In other words, 1% cash back. Whereas the Freedom would earn 1.5% back. And that small 0.5% increase on the Freedom Unlimited for all the non-bonus spend can make a big difference at the end of a year if you use it appropriately. And as I kind of hinted to earlier, both of these cards earn Ultimate Rewards points. What that means is since they're the same currency, when you log into your Chase account, all of your points can be pooled together into one account. So everything you earn on the Freedom and everything you earn on the Freedom Unlimited will become one balance. In other words, using both cards will allow you to maximize and earn a lot more points on your spend, whether it's a big bonus tier or just something that is not bonused. They work together beautifully. And that's exactly why I chose to put both of these cards in my wallet so I can maximize my spend in a much bigger way and put more cash back in my pocket. You, of course, can do the same. To close out this video, I want to give you 4 more points that will help you out in a big way. That pun was intended, by the way. First of all, there's no minimum to redeem for cash back. A lot of cashback cards require you to have $15, $25, $50, whatever, before you can actually get that cash back into your hands. But with the Chase cards, there's no minimum. So if you have $1.17, you can cash that out. Second, the cashback or the points do not expire as long as your account remains open. Also, these cards do have 3% foreign transaction fees. So you might want to check out cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve that do not have foreign transaction fees and therefore would save you some money on your purchases outside of the country. Also, both of these cards are subject to the 524 rule. In case you're unfamiliar with the Chase 524 rule, the loose, easy definition of that is if you've opened up 5 or more credit cards in the past 24 months that appear on your credit report, then Chase will not approve you for any of their cards going forward. So if you want to get the Chase Freedom or the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit cards, then make sure that you've opened up 4 or fewer credit cards that have been reported to your credit report in the last 2 years. If you enjoyed this video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I'd also love to know if you think having both of these cards in your wallet is a good idea. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, remember, you are great.